Hey guys, Ginger Kuchma here, CEO and founder of MedTech Practice Management. Today I want to go over our treatment glutathione. So glutathione is taken intramuscularly once a week. Before I get into any more details, I want to give you guys a quick fact on injection versus oral. When you take a supplement orally, your body's only absorbing around 10 to 15% of it. When you inject your supplement, your body absorbs about 96% of it, making it a much more effective method of treatment than taking your vitamin supplements orally. So with that being said, let's go into some of the awesome benefits of glutathione. Glutathione is a substance naturally produced by your liver. It is considered a master antioxidant. It is the most abundant substance produced by the liver that protects your body from free radicals. It also protects your body from oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is what leads to certain health issues and also speeds up the process of aging. So this is considered an anti-aging treatment. So besides ridding the body of free radicals and oxidative stress and helping slowing down aging, it has a ton more benefits that I wrote down. I'm going to go over those with you guys real quick. Excuse my clipboard. I did not memorize all of these. So we have, it improves cellular function, it improves liver health, detoxification, antioxidant activity, we already went over that, protects against degenerative diseases, it can minimize your respiratory diseases, treats weakened immune system, treats infertility, reduces oxidative stress, we went over, brightens and improves your skin tone, decreases free radicals and toxins, went over that, it can improve psoriasis, it can reduce cell damage from alcohol and non-fatty liver disease, improves insulin resistance, and it can fight autoimmune diseases. So if you have any more questions on glutathione, please reach out, email. All we need to get this treatment delivered to your door is a quick consult from our physician, which is done through telehealth, so you never have to go into our office, and then the treatment's delivered right to your door. It's a 10-week supply of 1 intramuscular injection a week, and I believe those cost $175. So if you have any more questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I hope you found this very helpful on glutathione.